Today is day 26 of saying Mr. Beast name once for every 1 subscriber I get until he puts me in the challenge. We're currently at 131 subscribers, so I'm saying his name 131 times. Let's go. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Follow for day 27, man. Let's go.